Hey guys, so today I've got the Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio out of the track and a couple of new modifications on the car. Firstly is KW coilovers and a drop in the ride height by about an inch, as you can see. So standard, they ride pretty high, and this is it's not exactly slammed down low, but it's nice enough. One nice thing with the Giulia is the long wheelbase and short overhang means that it's very driveway friendly. If you like me have a driveway that tends to remove front spoilers, this car no problem, even lowered by an inch. So the other thing I've done is replace the standard Pirelli Corsa tyres with Pilot Sport Cup 2s. Should be a bit more grip. One thing to notice, and I've heard this from a couple of owners, is the factory alignment is really average. The car had a lot of toe out from factory, and even the heights on the front suspension were different left to right. So something to note. As you've probably already seen from other videos, the car has the Racechrono exhaust. This is the full system, including dump pipes. The great thing about this is it's controlled by the drive modes. So in comfort mode or normal mode, it's perfectly streetable. It's not loud at all, just nice, a little bit of a bark. And in track mode, it's an absolute animal. And that actually goes for the suspension as well. The suspension on this car is controllable through the drive modes, and even with the KW coilovers, that's the case. So, like driving out here today on only okay roads, perfectly comfortable. Like definitely stiffer than standard, but absolutely fine for banging around rough roads. So I'm super impressed with it so far. Anyway, I'll get suited up, the suit harness and helmet on, and go do some laps, see how we go.